Afghanistan beats Pakistan in a major upset, and South Africa thump Bangladesh with ease. In the Pakistan-Afghanistan match, Pakistan scored 282 for 7 with Babar Azam 74, Abdullah Shafiq 58 and IFTIKHAR Ahmed 44. Bowling M.NABI 1 for 31, Noor Ahmed 3 for 49 and MAHMUDULLAH taking 2 wickets for 52 runs. In response, Afghanistan 286 for 2 in an easy, perfect run chase with IBRAHAM Sardan 87, Shah 77 and R.GURBAZ 65, Shahidi scoring 48 as well. Overall, bowling wise, Hasan 1 for 44, Shaheen AFRIDI 1 for 58. So that means Afghanistan beats Pakistan for the first time. Then of course in the South Africa-Bangladesh game, South Africa scored 382 for 5 in their 50 overs with Quinton de Kock scoring a massive 174 with the bat, with Klaasen 90, Aiden MARKRAM 60 and David Miller 34 unbeaten. Bowling MEHIDY Hasan 1 for 44, Hasan Mahmud 1 for 67 and Shakib 1 for 69. In response, Bangladesh, a swordless and horrible response. 233 all out with Mahmudullah scoring a fighting 111 and Lutin Das 22 and NASUM Ahmed 19. Wow. Bowling Gerald Coetzee 3 for 62, Marco JANSON 2 for 39, Rabada 2 for 42. Overall, this means South Africa have destroyed and humiliated Bangladesh in this match. So thank you very much for joining me on the show.